Nakaliang unong pakten jong ka party NPP uba HM Shangpliang uliya thu halor ka jingwan Phaino Shen jong sambod menteri ka jala uba Prestone Tynsong hadin kato ka nesngi ulaong ba uba Prestone ulayo banmi na po Apollo Hospital bat kato ka nesngi udang syong penjat haj hapo ka Meghalaya House kabadan hapo ka nong ba Delhi nakaliang uba Shangpliang habayo banyakran da ka phone call yaw sambod menteri ulapha ya ka khubo sya ki paj ba baro ya ka jingkit bok ka driang jongki lengba ka jingduai ka jongki hakane ka jingsha sumar ka jongu hakabasyan na kalyang ka sarkar kan sapriang burom yaw ba Prestone Tynsong hakanong ba Shillong hak batsyan on sa wanshim tibyang yakikam hapo ka jala.
That's Sir Prestone Tynsong, our Deputy Chief Minister, has been released from the Apollo Hospital and he is resting for a few days in the Meghalaya House in Delhi. I could speak to Sir Prestone Tynsong today afternoon, and during my conversation over the phone with Sir Prestone Tynsong, he conveyed his best wishes to each and every citizen of the state of Meghalaya. He further informed that he is hale and hearty. He has started to eat a normal diet and he is likely to reach Shillong in the next few days. On behalf of the party and on behalf of Sir Prestone Tynsong, our Deputy Chief Minister, I'd like to extend my gratitude and my heartfelt thanks to all the well-wishers who have conveyed their best wishes for Sir Prestone Tynsong, and also to those who have put their prayers for the speedy recovery of our beloved Deputy Chief Minister, who have prayed and conveyed the best wishes for the speedy recovery of their beloved MLA, Sir Prestone Tynsong. In just the next few days, we are going to receive Sir Prestone Tynsong in Shillong, and very soon our Deputy Chief Minister is going to resume work and take over the helm of affairs. Thank you.